Well, good morning and welcome to Module 6. Y'all are doing a wonderful job as we finish up the term. It's the home stretch here. Today is really where we start to shift and put everything together that we have learned so far. And so this week there are some readings. There are no lectures from me this week. There's some readings that you'll go through to start to take these concepts that we've been learning about groups and teams and translate them into the virtual setting. So it's some good, helpful reading. And then you will have your own virtual assignment. And this virtual assignment can take a number of different paths, but each of you are going to be responsible for your own virtual assignment and then your own paper. So one of the things I really encourage you to do as we begin Module 6 is to be pretty aggressive on your time to go through and work early in the week in terms of getting your readings done, getting some of the legwork on your virtual assignment done, and reaching out to the people that you're going to want to join you in a virtual setting. So we'll talk more about that as we get to the assignment page itself. But getting things done early this week will be extremely helpful because at the end of the week, you will have a 3 to 5 page paper due, and that is a large part of your grade. It's worth 100 points. It's worth basically 2 discussion posts. So go through, try to get your work done early. Give yourself plenty of time to both do the virtual meeting and to write your paper about it. So I hope that y'all make it a great week. Please reach out to me with any questions. You can reach me via email. You can call up to Union if you have an urgent question and try to get me that way if email's not the best for you. But other than that, I look forward to seeing everybody's work. Bye, y'all.